I know no one's fucking tuning in this shit, but let's get it. See how this should go for me. My Cherie. Bum, bum, ba, na, 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 na. Uh, we did this session. Major high. We haven't tested this London close low. Let's pull up my here. Oh shit. I did not mean to do that. Accidental fucking trade. Give me that. Star Bush. Get this shit up. We don't even Q tonight. Man, I mean that shit. But high probability. It's here. Reject it off a bit once you set it previously. Could come here. Is your high. Of it, but we've been dumping. So you're gonna spend your time. Gonna be a long fucking day. Use this for our wrist tool. See what happens. Hit weight. It's a fat ass fucking candle. This range. This is the bottom.
Sammy, why are you out? Goodness gracious.
We know how that thing gonna be, but it's just on YouTube in the meantime.
This week on Could Have Been Love. $100,000. I wasn't lying about that. Is that the right boat right there? Is that it?
Mm-hmm. These women want one thing and one thing only. Money.
Hoes wanna be cool, whole time is jail on the low.
I want to see what it feels like to back into that handicapped parking spot. This episode of Could Have Been Love Season 2 is presented by Buffalo Wild Wings, home of the Pick Six Meal for Two from 1999. They got a couple Escalade builds in there, a couple GMC big bodies, Ford Tough.
Yeah, that is buttery, smooth, and wet.
Before I slap the shit out of you, real shit.
Don't even need to talk. I'm cute and petite.
With a real
Drewski, I would peg you. I don't want to scare him, though.
Fuck that shit!
I ain't with all the stud games. You know what I mean?
I'm not too old to have babies.
Ooh, good God Almighty!
Get out my face! Hell with me like I'm crazy! No white, chill out. I'm not a Rolls toy.
Oh, all right.
Don't play! You think I want
Balcony weaving that shit like hello?
move?
I need my pajama.
One of you will be going on a private jet, one-on-one date with Drewski tonight.
Hey, bro, I'm kind of like. You have 15 viewers who just watch you yell at the cat. They're gonna call Pedo on you.
Whoa. What's that?
It's your cat, bro. Why do you put on?
Guys, Nina just built an app.
Impossible. Nina can't code.
Interesting. Can it generate reports?
I can now.
Nice.
So you're saying we can all build apps now?
Yeah.
I'm on lunch. I gotta make a call.
I'll be
in my
right
office. Just built an inventory tracker. Protein calculator. Book sharing app.
A workflow manager that
Tracks who still owes for the group lunch.
Trash duty schedule.
Since no one seems to care.
just built a
I just created a goal tracking system.
We built the same thing, didn't we?
Yep.
Can this thing manage contact?
Is the SOC 2 compliant?
I want to animate this graph.
Create a party planner.
Profesor de español.
An inter-office dating app.
For dogs. For office dogs. You know what I mean?
Caleb Presley, and welcome to the Could Have Been Love Villa. Today we set sail on a passionate voyage. However, this is not Drewski's first romantic cruise. In fact, his last sank, like the Titanic.
I regret having a child with Drewski. It was the stupidest thing I've ever done.
Nigga, you out here doing shows and shit? You supposed to be babysitting.
Bambi, she didn't just win the $50,000 prize.
We don't even know if you're pregnant.
Looks like a female.
We having a girl?
Kind of look like a bowel movement a little bit.
It is yet to be confirmed that Drewski is the father.
Hey, that look like a Cheeto pup if I ever seen one.
Oh, they come like this is diabetes.
Refuses to acknowledge that the child is his.
Numerous sources have expressed concern for the child's well-being.
To be even here to see your baby get born, you was a sorry excuse ass nigga.
Bitch, I told you stop calling me.
Bitch, just.
You the best mistake I ever made. In season 1, I tried to find love. Apparently, I got to up the money to $100,000. It ain't about money at the end of the day, but money will make a motherfucker move. You know what I'm saying? $100,000. I wasn't lying about that. You can look at my teeth to tell. You know they say more money, more problems. Well, we about to see.
Once again, I have assembled the 18 most beautiful women on the planet to compete over one thing: Drewski's heart.
Well, love don't cost a thing. Or do it.
Drewski will continue to spread his seed frivolously and plant his garden the size of the Amazon forest.
Yes, we outside. I'm here for my man. Fuck out of here.
All these was ran through though. All these was ran through. Majority of them, they do OnlyFans. They for money.
I'm here for Drewski. I heard you like me.
When I was on the yacht, I started crying. Hello? My man got money. It's motherfucking rich.
Drewski, thank you, baby. You got me doing rich bitch shit.
Oh, I love it when you walk like that. I can't lie, I want that all thing, man. It could have been you, it could have been me, it could have been LOV.
She definitely here for the money. She don't want no Drewski.
What up, man?
I don't even know what size she wants.
Okay. What up, gang? Nothing today. I'm actually down. Took a trip by accident. We're waiting for a fucking break and retest of this shit. Preferably at 8 o'clock. But how much money have I made from trading altogether? Probably. I mean, I've gotten one payout from Top Step for 1,500. So yeah. And I recently switched to Alpha Future, so we see how that goes for me. But they're just sitting here fucking chilling. I'm not gonna be doing much for this shit. So after 8 o'clock, I don't see any really good crazy shit to take. I have no bias for the market right now. So yeah. We'll see what happens. We're sitting back enjoying fucking Drewski right now, bro.
¿Qué piensas? ¿Qué piensas de las chicas? ¿Cómo te sientes?
Are the fuck y'all speaking in English? What the fuck going on over here? Ekalo English, English. Don't be over here thinking you're gonna speak Spangalo to my man.
Damn.
That we're just being overly loud, but I get it. Just trying to get their spotlight.
Last season, the girls we brought you had heart.
Yeah. Last week. Not gonna cap, gang. Last week, I definitely blew a fucking account, bro. You're 17 years old getting into trading. Yeah, man. When I was fucking 18, I did a lot of fucking like it was like GMC, you know, my GME AMC time, and so I made a decent amount of money off of that, and just recently started trading prop firms. Just transparent, bro. Like if you look at the videos on my channel, it's kind of about like wins and losses. And I'm kind of like doing a revamp, trading the same strategy every day, challenging myself to do that for the next few weeks and kind of see how productive I am. But yeah, bro. But with the Insta, yeah, bro. Insta is I'll give it to you. Ain't nothing crazy on there. I'm private. I don't even think I have that shit. I'll put it in chat for you though. That's cool as fuck. I came up, bro. Yeah. Um, I trade early morning in the RP strat. I fucking love RP. Very simplistic. I do find it to hit, and then in Asia session, it's kind of something me and my boys kind of started trading, and we veered from it, and we're back to it. But yeah, man, I'm just getting more consistently trying to post. It's kind of a learning experience for me. So I'll tell you, there's certain trades I take, and I'm like, this shit. Yeah, just follow. If you follow me on Instagram right now, I'll follow you back, and you can just shoot me a message whenever you need to, bro. Yeah. Fuck. Do not know what this is gonna do. But I could definitely use some good resources. My buddy loves Benjamin SMC. He watched a lot of content from him, and he's a pretty profitable trader. And then also, like I said, RP. I don't know his YouTube, so I watched some of his shit earlier. This guy, RP Profits, is pretty cool. This strategy is like so. Both this one, like all of his strategies are pretty simplistic and easy to follow. But yeah, man. I mean, so I don't know how it's working on Top Step or Alpha and shit like that. But for me, I know definitely like for me to open like a Webull account at the time back in the day, I had to be 18. But I'm pretty sure you gotta be 18 to start trading futures, or you could technically have somebody hop on, or you can have your parents make an account and shit. Do you know how the prop firms and shit work? Because if not, I can explain those to you. It's pretty simplistic. Um, so don't get me wrong, bro. I love fucking blackjack and roulette. I think you have more information. And it's really just about okay. I'm glad you know how the fucking prop shit works, but it's really about having more information and you can lock in on information and make smart trades. I think more so than gambling, trading is really about risk management. So you will not win every trade, but if you're risking just enough, you can put yourself in a predicament to be successful. So I think that's a big one. But this is not breaking. Oh, interesting. I'm sorry, I'm on the wrong fucking shit. The next high. So untested high right there.
Piensa de las chicas, ¿cómo te sientes?
Are the fuck y'all speaking in English? What the fuck going on over here? Écalo English, English. Don't be over here thinking you're gonna speak Spangalo to my man.
Damn.
Yeah. So we're just being overly loud, but I get it. Just trying to get their spotlight.
Last season, the girls.
What the fuck are we gonna take tonight, bro? So we literally have 30 more minutes before I'll be looking to take a trade. and it would literally be a yeah. So for futures trading, you can. I pretty much watch what like futures trading is, and it's probably gonna talk about it in a more of a physical sense, like how people physically trade futures. But if how you make money going down, the best way I can explain it is imagine you promise to sell somebody something at for $5. Like I don't know, fucking a bag of chips. You promise to sell somebody a bag of chips for $5, right? And but at the end of the day, and like, yeah, you're gonna get the shit for $5. But you go and throughout the day, the real price of that shit is going down, 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 down. So you end up buying the bag of chips for $1 from someone else. And then so you give them to that person and you made $4. That's how it works in like a technical sense. But yeah, so you can short this, which is that scenario I just mentioned, and when the price goes down, you make more money. And then longing it is the opposite. So you make money off the long play. I just today I don't know. Not really what I thought I would see. I mean, it went down. Yeah, it's kind of what I see here. So I want us to shit the break here. 8 o'clock, sometime between 8 and 9, come back into this box, and then I want to long it. I think we're gonna go up today and target a 2-to-1 ratio. But in the meantime, we go back to watch some fucking Drewski.
We brought you had heart.
Yeah.
But this season, the girls have body.
I just didn't get the part where it felt like it was good-looking women last year. I didn't.
Oh yeah, but this year you'll see. But I get your style now. You want to get rich, get money, spread your seed. That's your thing.
No, man, I don't do that.
Think about last year. You had sex with every single contestant last year. But this year you're
Yeah, bro. So I'll give you a scenario here. So this is a trade. I didn't actually trade this day. I didn't trade it all this day, actually. But this is a trade I would have taken. So I would have seen price going down. It would have bounced back up into the zone, and I would have shorted probably knowing me, I would have shorted here, right? So I would have went. I can do it here. I would have went here, right? And I would have put my stop loss here. It's a little high, actually. Like 43 points is hella fucking steep. And I would have targeted a 2-to-1 ratio. This is how I would have traded this. All right. 2. Whatever. 2 to whatever. All right. So I would have went and I would have bought in, and let's say in this candle right here. Damn it. On this candle right here. And let's lock it real quick. And when it was here, as price is going down, everything in this green zone, I would be up in profit. Everything in this red zone, I'd be losing profit. So I could sell anytime I want to. I can sell and lose profit. I could sell and make profit. But obviously you want to sell in profit, and I probably would let this trade breathe, and I would eventually hit it like midnight, right? But that's how you do it, man. You can, and then there's scenarios where like you do a trade like this, the price goes down, 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 and you can take profit whenever you want, essentially, whether you're in up or down. So, which right now we're in a hella fucking choppy market. I think we're packed with news this week too. So, sorry, I moved that. also before a holiday. Was it not showing me all the news I need to see? I'm on a $50,000 combine. I've really been tightening down on risk for me. Risk has been huge. I've been fucking. I typically take good trades. I just get stopped out sometimes because I size too heavy for my account. So on this account specifically, on the Alpha Futures account, which you have $1,000 daily limit. I mean, I guess daily loss limit, so you can't lose more than $1,000. So I've been using this shit. I built this myself. There's other ways to do it. Like you could do that in this shit, but it's easier for me to just do this. I'm trading MNQ, mini Nasdaq. I'm putting $300 I want to risk, and like before, if I'm gonna put my stop loss at a certain place, like how I did previously, here, let's say this is like, let's bring it down a bit, like 28.75 is the points. So I come here, put 28.75. It's gonna tell me I can risk 5 contracts and still be within my risk limits of $300. That's kind of what I've been doing. And I've been trading M&Q. So I trade M&Q at nighttime, maybe some gold when I see decent gold setups, and then I trade that other shit in the I trade ES in the mornings.
Dialed in and more focused.
No, I didn't have sex with nobody.
Get rich, spread your seed, do your thing. Everyone knows your style. It's well known. And I respect you for it. One day, maybe it could be me.
No, I'm just saying, I didn't do any of that, man.
Last season was a success. Drewski found love with Bambi. Very hot. He's just such a phenomenal guy. He deserves the best. And these women are the best.
Welcome. You'll see here.
Holy shit. Is that the right boat right there? Is that it?
Mm-hmm. I told you we had him for you.
I don't know if that's...
You're about to have the time of your life.
You said it was better looking.
Yeah, you just can't...
Hey, is that the right boat?
It's just mist coming off the water. You'll see them better when you get down there. They're beautiful. But listen, the face cards on these girls might shock you. This is real quality, elite level Miami type talent.
I think I'm ready, man. I think...
I don't win though.
Those are the only girls. That's it. That was it. Like, those are the only ones that are in the competition.
Beautiful.
I love you, Daddy! You're saying that's...
They already love you. You're going to meet all these girls right now. You're going to have an opportunity to meet them.
Yeah, I don't know if this is... No, I mean, I'm not that excited. I thought you said better. I don't know.
Yes, better. Have I ever let you down before?
Yeah, I mean, the first season.
Enjoy yourself.
What?
I did it again.
The fuck? Girl! Do you just flash my man? I did. That's my man, bitch.
I do not feel like the studs are my competition. Bitch, get the fuck out. This is not for you.
Come on, somebody else show their titties. You need to show your big ass titties. You're not here for Drewski because you're looking at the bitches. These hoes keep trying to check me because I'm a stud. Guess what that nigga like? Studs.
She don't like studs and all that. So I'm not even worried about little studs. The studs is actually go home. We sending studs the fuck up on out of here. Hello?
Yeah, some of these bitches are not here for Drewski. Some of these bitches are here to get...
Why y'all hating on the studs? Because y'all don't like, see,
you like studs that take, y'all don't take.
Oh, I love it when you walk like that.
We gonna see what love really about. We on the water this year. Where they at?
It could have been love.
This bitch think we on a mommy vacation, so she definitely here for the wrong reason. She going home tonight too.
Half of these bitches are ditzy and dumb.
This energy and this attitude, but I be handling.
Something smells fishy.
I told you I smelled something. It smacked me in the face when I was trying to get on the boat.
Wait, is it like coochie?
Tartar sauce and hot.
Like, goddamn, these hoes stink. I don't know about the fish. Is it me?
Her said power to the people, bitch, okay?
I'm in Miami. I'm lit. Pick me. Come scoop me, Drewski. Hopefully, I can get some penis, fall in love. The rest will just fall into place. I'm just here for a good time. He is a little chunky. I like a man with some belly, so I hope I can rub on him. I'ma work with him.
You got ass? Let me see something. Oh, okay.
Period. You're welcome. Don't blurt that out.
Yeah. Wasn't that a thong you had on?
Yeah, it's string actually.
Why is string hanging like that?
What I lack in the back, I pack in the cap.
Bro, what
Nah,
the
get
fuck?
your ass in the house. You good.
Fuck with a real bitch. Now them plastic assholes, they don't want to swing. They just want to jaw jack and be famous. I'm trying to get some.
He's definitely my type. I like him big. I like him right with the big old belly. Wow, I love it. I want him to be all over my little ass. That's exactly what I'm here for. Pot willies, hola. They don't want me to roll on their toes.
What's good? What's good? You better slow down for you.
You know, I got my driver's license, but you know.
Okay. Yeah, I'm about to say,
just
you
be a
move
little too
fast on
late.
that motherfucker.
Yeah, you don't
Hey,
remember
chill.
me?
Hey. Oh, okay. See, now I can pick y'all up, though, so I don't be.
You want to pick me up? You want to pick me up eventually?
We'll figure it out.
Yes? Well, I'm waiting for him to lift me, fold me like a fucking pretzel. Right up in this bitch. Like, Paraplegic? You never had that in your life?
I ain't had no paraplegia.
I'm about to give him some paralyzed so.
Bro,
I got you.
Drewski's
You good.
fucking wild
Don't
as
worry
fuck,
about
bro.
that. He got you, baby.
What the fuck?
I want to see what it feel like to back into that handicapped parking spot. You know what I'm saying? When you start fucking with paraplegia.
Nigga's sick, bro. We still haven't got a fucking break or retest. Nothing matters till after 8, but I'd love to break to the upside. Really bad. Back to Drewski.
It comes with benefits.
None of these other bitches is competition. Like 4 or 5 bitches with BBLs. Bitch, that shit stink anyway. New York shit. We coming stepping on shit, you right? And I ain't never with a fat nigga before, you feel me? I'm still a virgin and all that good shit. What the he gonna do without me? Hello? I'm here, baby. Ow.
Now this one right here, you coming off aggressive.
What the is up, boyfriend? How you, my nigga?
Nah, I'm good.
I was happy to see you, my man.
Hell
You
yeah.
smell good.
Hey,
You don't stink, nigga.
Yeah, wait.
Yeah, I
You
like that.
assume that.
You a fat stink nigga. I thought that's what you was.
Nah.
He like medium ugly. You know, like, you gotta get the medium ugly niggas, cause
Bro, what the
medium
fuck she got on
ugly
her
always
chin?
got money, and then they always treat you good. If you a regular, like my homegirls be putting me on, so they put me on, and now I know.
Trade something like
I ain't never
political
with a man
people
before though,
or something.
so this gonna be your first time.
Oh yeah, bro. I do trade. I have my own personal portfolio, and I trade shit in there. Oil, gas stocks, like stocks and shit like that. Every blue moon I do some option trading, but that's like long-term investments. Intraday, I don't really fuck with that shit. You need a decent amount of capital to start, and I'd be risking more of my own capital to do that. So this is the better route for me to take. I can come on here, I can buy a funded. I could, fund it for, I could beat an evaluation, 100, 200 bucks max, and then the worst I lose is 200 bucks. If I take 25K of my own money and put that shit to go day trade, which I don't even know what the day trade rule is now. Probably somewhere between 25 and 50K you have to have liquid to day trade. Go day trade that money and fucking lose it. That's my money compared to me losing 200 bucks or something else. It's a different story. So I find this to be better. I think especially intraday trading. And this is a very disciplined way to trade. You can turn the light back off. You can turn the light back off. You can turn the. Okay, cool. Yeah, man. But yeah, bro. Like I'm not. I think you should also, when you're learning this process, figure out like go look at governmental data. Go look at what the market's doing, what news is doing. Try to feel your own feel for that, and paper trade some like stocks day to day. So I don't know if you know what the M&Q is, but NASDAQ is a whole like exchange to where stocks are traded on. The S&P ES is a whole exchange. The top 500 performing stocks are on the S&P 500. And so when you're trading futures or like M&Q, NASDAQ, or you're trading S&P, you're literally trading like the exchange to which all these stocks are traded on. So this does matter politically, right? Like when the Fed cuts the rates, these do fucking move. Which is something you learn, you get a feel for, you learn more about it as time goes on. It's you get a feel for it, man. Like I said, I've been trading futures for probably, I don't know, my boys and I probably started 3-4 months ago. And it's been varying levels of success. There's been highs and lows, but I have been trading stocks for since I was like 18, and I saw some success long terms. And there's times to where I do go look at my portfolio, and I'll sell some shit off and move that around. But it's not something that I'm looking at, every I don't sit at my desk and just look at my portfolio of long term holds. I see the vision for a lot of them, and sometimes I move shit around. Yeah, man, I'm only 22. Oh, whoa, that's crazy. I'm 23 now. Just turned 23. It's the first time having to fucking say that, but yeah, I'm 23. 23, bro. I know I get told that I look fucking older all the time, but so I was talking to a guy today who's kind of like a semi-mentor to me, and he's been trading for like 20 fucking years, and he trades specifically only fucking options, not futures. And he was just saying, bro, like there's times to where you'll be in the market and you're fortunate enough to make, his situation, he has way more fucking money than I do. So he'll be like, there's times where I'll make some good trades over the course of a period of time, and I trade and I make fucking 50, 70K, and I don't trade for the next month or two, which I wish I had the pleasure of making 50, 70K. But you can make good money on this prop trading shit, bro. I haven't. There's people around me who make good real money. There's a guy we know who has had a few 10K months off of this shit, and cool guy. But he doesn't. I don't know why he doesn't fucking like do content. I don't think it's his forte. But he's had some good months. He has really bad mental. Like if he makes bad trades, his day's cooked. But he is a very profitable trader, and he's a friend of mine and my buddies. So yeah, bro. Typically, if you hop onto the stream, on probably not tomorrow, maybe tomorrow night, maybe definitely Wednesday night though when I stream. Most I've ever made off a trade, I have made probably most I've ever made off a trade is probably $1,200. Like one trade was in the trade for probably like 4 minutes, off of the same strategy I'm about to trade tonight. It just was a really good night for that. But what I was saying before is, bro, if you watch some of my content when my buddies are in here, it's normally 3 of us. One of them's busy tonight. The other one I don't think is gonna trade till Wednesday. Which I mean, I might be in the same boat. I might not take a trade tonight. I've been practicing patience and discipline, but when all 3 of us are in here, it's so unique because we see the market very similarly, but we take completely different fucking trades, and I think that's a very unique thing. But kind of all in our discipline on. Since I've started this YouTube shit over the past few months, it's been a little rough. Cool. Yeah, man. TradingView, I think lets you do it. You're gonna be doing it with delayed data, but I'm pretty sure you can copy trade on TradingView. You could also some of the like I know Webull lets you paper trade as well. You can paper trade these. Once again, delayed data, so that's a little bit different. But there's quite a few things you can practice trading futures on. You can sign up for a trial account on NinjaTrader, and before I started this shit, I did that for a few days. So you can like make a NinjaTrader account, do it as a trial, and you can paper trade with live data for like 7 days for free. You can get a hang of it. Yeah. And even if you got it, me personally, bro, even if you got to spend like $15 to get a good platform you can paper trade on, I would do that and paper trade for the, like, 2-3 months before you hop into this shit, bro. Like, this shit is, because an account, I mean, the cheapest account probably out right now is an Alpha Zero account, which is at least $75. And every time you blow that and you want to redo a new eval, that's another $75, bro. So it's kind of each your own, but whatever makes you comfortable. Sorry for all the clanging in the background, bro. any other questions, man, I'm fucking. I wish I had some good shit for you to see tonight, but this shit we're rejecting at this level for some reason. 848. Oh, the highest here. We rejected from it once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just sideways chop. I do think. We're still above you. I do think the breakout to the upside though for sure. Right? We're gonna see a little chop, 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 chop. So.
I'm just like, I'm a virgin. No,
You came in here with the butters. What you from New York or something?
Hello, Harlem in the building, nigga. What's up? What the fuck is in your mouth, my brother?
This is
As your lady, I'm gonna tell you, you look dumb.
You a lady?
I'm half and half.
I'm a little scared of you a little bit, man.
What the fuck you scared of?
Oh, my bad. Yeah, you right. Thank you, bro.
Take that shit out your mouth for real. I wasn't playing with you. I was dead serious. Yeah. There you go. There you go.
My bad, bro.
Yeah,
what the fuck?
Yeah, so is there any questions you got for me, man?
I don't got shit to ask you.
We'll let you in the house just off of
Let's go. You said I can have a drink? Are you sponsored by these or something?
Yeah.
Because I want real liquor, nigga.
Yeah. Oh, we gonna get your ass a bottle of whiskey.
My nigga.
Thank you.
Yeah.
But Drewski's a wild motherfucker, bro. But man, so what are you in, bro? You doing we might be looking at shorts tonight. Might be looking at shorts tonight. Also, bro, my favorite thing ever is sometimes I hop on TikTok and I'll go look at what the traders are doing on there. Like, let's see. I follow a few that I trust, which none of them are probably gonna be live on a Sunday evening, there, especially this early. But it depends, bro. It depends. It's kind of those things to see what happens today. Probably be off a little bit early if we don't have any movement by 9 o'clock.
Damn, you strong.
So I had to just let him know, like, you know, I could blow you up, man. Like, we could, you feel me?
This one right here gonna put up a fight. Something about her I like right here. She ain't giving it up too easy.
Are you really down for the cause when it's just me and you behind?
I like that bikini, girl. Shake that ass just like your friend do. They ain't got no ass to shake. Poor babies.
There's a name? What kind of green? Chunky green, green cream, clean cream. What kind of cream? I'm trying to figure it out.
They just sit around like a motherfucking fly on the motherfucking wall. Bitch, you ain't here to just look fucking cute. The
If you got a nigga at home and a bitch at home, that's what matters.
I like Chanel. I know I'm a bitch for saying this, but that girl talk too fucking much. Oh my God.
You ain't gonna take my man money, go split with your husband and your boyfriend, bitch. You're not gonna run off with my man money. Absolutely not. These bitches got niggas and bitches at home. I'm not
You look like NBA YoungBoy.
They really want this nigga.
We're getting to know these girls more than Drewski. Yeah, it's been hectic. It's been hectic.
Bro, where the fuck does he find these people,
we're
bro?
Here and it ain't nothing we haven't seen before.
I'm a prize, not a possession. You put a pinky in this motherfucker, it's gonna grip. I promise you. What?
They want to say slick shit, talking about they're going to drag me. The only thing they need to be dragging is that deodorant across their armpit, and they might as well put it on their coochie too, because somebody's smelling like tuna. I always have fantasies about having a big man next to me since I'm small. I bring a lot of household values. I'm pretty submissive. I make my own money online. I sell certain things. It's not no 9 to 5. I'm going to be home.
I remember you from the audition. What you put sex like as a ranking?
4, I like to really look at how they are with their family. Somebody on the boat literally smells like fish.
Oh,
so,
okay. Somebody coochie stink.
Yeah.
Some of them girls in there need Vagisil.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's this little
Yeah,
ointment.
I know which
yeah,
one
it's an
that
ointment
is.
that everybody
the
be using.
ointment of Vagisil.
Yeah, somebody need to be injected with that motherfucker.
Yeah, I do.
What exactly do you feel like sets you apart from all the other women here? Other than your coochie don't stink.
Yeah. Of course my shit is squeaky clean, bitch. And f***ing lasered. You know that shit is buttery, smooth, and wet.
How many bodies you had in college?
Wow.
You had like college bodies?
I don't know, not really.
Not really, not that many.
No, I would just go to class.
So you ain't had no sex in college.
Everybody has a little fun in college.
But very little, maybe like
less than,
2.
Oh, okay, two. Yeah, about 2. Yeah, they'll take you in the house right here. They'll take you in the house. Who coochie stank the worst? Who in there got that coochie coo? Who got the coochie coo?
I'm not picky. Make sure you smell good, look good, taste good.
What's been going on the yacht?
Somebody smells like fish.
Have you dated a black guy before? That's the real question.
Well, my ex was mixed.
That's close enough. Yeah, hell yeah.
All right, so we about to see you break this box shit.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You ever f***ed any white bitches?
Yeah, hey man, I dipped my stick in a couple
The 1 minute break event.
jars.
I'd peg him.
We're gonna break
Drewski,
right
I
now.
would peg you. I don't want to scare him though.
What is this level?
You don't have to.
My name is Angel Fernandez. I born in Cuba. I have the genes though. Like
Bro,
we
what
can
the fuck?
basically make the one babies. I'm gonna see his bloodline. They're gonna be having like basketball players for their next 3 generations.
Ooh, good God Almighty!
Okay. I was like, babe, you're not hugging me. You're just trying to lick my boob at some point. Like, come on.
Sometimes you gotta put a lasso on that motherfucker. It's not real today. Yeah. So, do you speak another language that you feel like?
I speak Spanish.
Oh, okay. You pick it in Spanish.
Yo hablo. Oye, pero ¿qué te pasa?
Ah, ¿qué pasó?
Papi, I'm a little worried.
Oh, you beat anybody ass in here. What you
No,
worried
but do
about?
you look for a bed for me?
I got a special bed for you.
Okay. Okay. Oh, thank you,
You might
Papi.
sleep with me tonight.
Oh.
I know you speak Spanish, but you ever been to California King?
No, I haven't.
Well, you
Are you gonna teach me tonight?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay,
teach you something.
okay.
I'll teach you something.
Fuck it. Why not? Like, come on. You know what's gonna happen, right? Okay, Papi.
Yeah.
We'll see you later.
I'll take you over there. Come on. Huh. Yeah, just.
Bye, Papi.
Yeah, you got it. God almighty! Fuck! This is one of the ones you breed right here. You don't pull out on this one.
I don't know what's gonna happen, but if I get to sleep on that bed, I'm gonna take advantage of the situation.
I got a whiff of something. The bigger the tree, the harder it fall, right?
Oh, I love it when you walk like that. I can't lie, I want that all day.
Yeah, I would rate myself a bad bitch. Milkshake. She like a milkshake.
Okay, bitch, pipe it down.
You only here because of your titties, bitch.
You're a man.
I'm here because of my personality. I'm fed. Let me go in the corner and cry.
Shut up. Go cry.
You mad because I get food stamps and you don't. You're starving. He gonna suck on this shit.
I don't know what sweet treat this bitch wanna be, but it don't look too delectable. It don't look good to me. I don't think my man gonna like that. Now we with the BBWs, bitch, but it's just too much going on.
You mad because I like my body. It's T and I love it.
You look a man.
Bitch, you plastic ass Barbie.
She wanna get rid of her fat rolls, and she just mad I got Hawaiian rolls.
I'm coming to get my man. What all these bitches talking about? Just get my titties shaking.
I need a black, big, funny man that knows how to handle me. I'm looking for love. I'm OnlyFans model, so I like him big. I think Drewski is the right amount for me. I'm here to feed him.
Okay. See the little cheetah print poking through. All right.
Don't fail the history of what your people want, because you need a black queen in your life. You need to be that black queen.
But why are you pushing them up to your neck like
Bro, what
that?
the
Why
fuck?
They pushed up to your neck to where you can't breathe?
How they selling all that motherfucking OnlyFans and can't even bring no gift to the bitch? I'm that nigga bitch, I told you. I got this. A real nigga bitch coming, don't worry about it. I'm definitely here for love. They can keep the coins, I got my own. Baby, I'm a classic, love everlasting. We don't do no labels, we don't do no boxes. We live out loud and proud, you feel what I'm talking about? They really bridesmaids, for real. These bitches ain't bringing shit to the table, but motherfucking bills and problems, attitudes, they need to be adjusted.
We can't break this
I'm trying
fucking
to add
level.
to the motherfucking equation.
Okay,
Ooh,
okay.
Baby got his grill in.
You see the
Hold
grill?
on, wait. Who got a napkin? My got a little wet.
We both
This
got
shit,
the
the
grill
play
in.
might be. I mean, we're standing with it low.
If you ever thought that I was lying about riding, sorry, Dad.
Play
The girl likes what she likes. Seen that man with them goals in his mouth, baby. I needed a wet one.
might be a short.
Brought to your own, baby.
Property of niggas.
My dick. And I don't care if you go over to the side bitch house. Put that out with them drawers on. We're gonna see if we can squeeze you in them tonight.
Yeah.
God damn it. We can be friends, but I don't want to be your friend. I want to suck that from the back. I could be this bitch cheese or this bitch. Other girls ain't no competition. They just here for the scenery. They are like.
When he recruited these girls here, they got a couple Escalade builds in there, a couple GMC big bodies. Yeah, Ford Tough.
I missed you, Papa.
Yeah.
Oh, and
She
you
missed him,
smell
nigga.
good. I can eat you up.
Come on, baby. Don't
I can eat
now.
you up. You is really handsome.
Hey, appreciate that,
I
y'all.
love that for us.
Yeah, for
We
us.
gonna have some handsome ass kids
Well,
and some beautiful ass babies. Yes, we are.
Oh,
Babe,
yeah.
you ordered us food. You so.
Yeah, this is that pick 6 for 2. You get this under $20.
You really?
This pick 6 for 2 right here.
Ooh, it's hot.
Yeah, with the sauce in that. Let me get this.
Ooh.
Yeah, come on now.
Ooh.
This is that all-American cheeseburger right here. Okay, you spitting, girl. All right.
And I'm here for you, Daddy.
Yeah,
Give me a
you.
hug.
Let's get. All right. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that'll do.
We gonna make hella beautiful babies.
What the fuck?
Like, he got pretty hair, I got pretty hair. Like, it's only right.
I'm so fucking old. I am gonna fucking lock it in. I'm kind of a cougar, and I'm into a younger guy, so I hope he's here for it.
You can still have babies.
Fuck you, I'm not that old.
No, I just was saying, just because.
I'm like
I
a
like to
crazy,
get.
sexy, cool cougar, not like a way too old cougar.
Yeah.
I guess I look too old to have children, which is terrifying to think, because I don't think I look too old to have babies, but I can. I'm not too old to have babies. I'm not too old to have babies.
How many black guys you dated in your past at all?
I dated one black guy.
What happened? Why y'all ain't work out?
When he's like, can I borrow $20?
Oh, okay. He was one of them type
Can I
niggas.
borrow $100?
He was one of them type niggas. Yeah. He on the couch type
Yo,
nigga.
will you roll me a blunt?
Yeah. Them
like,
type niggas. Nah, I know.
Dude,
I get what's going on.
I can't do all that. I will not buy you McDonald's
I understand
again.
the type nigga he was.
Yeah.
He one of them niggas that try to use you up because you got good credit. And I feel that. I was once on that type time. I try to find you a white lady, try to, you know what I mean?
Do you know how many guys slide in my DMs just to be like, yo, I know you have a house.
They want to eat cereal on the couch and you.
Because they know I'm eating cereal on the couch.
I get it.
I get it too, but
At one point, I was doing that. I don't
hate the hustle,
Hey, man,
but I hate you for it.
You can't knock a brother for what a brother gonna do. A brother gonna be a brother. You know what I mean? A brother gonna be a brother.
You. Not you.
Oh, okay.
Those guys.
These hoes could go home. They can hang that.
Yeah.
What we looking for is already right here in one bitch.
Tell me the most interesting thing about you.
I like my ass ate from the back.
Shit.
Ooh, this ass about to knock the nigga down.
You put a lot in there.
Mm-hmm.
That's natural.
It's an ABL, an African booty lift. This ain't Brazilian, this African.
Up late, no one to talk to, would you call? If you hold it down, we gon' ball till we fall. That's what it take, you got what it take. Baby, just relax, beat your back till it break.
Everybody in here is fake as
I don't work from Magic City to Alert to every top club in Atlanta. And guess what? Them niggas throwing trash bags every time.
And we proud of that. That's what's wrong with the motherfucking world. Y'all stupid.
You shake your ass for free?
Bitch, I don't shake my ass at all.
You don't do it because you can't.
You're mad. You're mad. Look at your wig, though.
That's what.
You're mad. Hey,
And I got more hair than you, bitch.
Everybody's sexually frustrated in this bitch. Every single one of these hoes.
What's up, bitch?
All right, boys, time to lock the fuck in, bro. Fuck you, Drewski. Let's see what the fuck happens at 8 o'clock, man. We ready for the break and retest. I'm gonna lie. We have been defending. We don't want to go below this Asian fucking high. We've been holding this shit strong as fuck. And then we have not broke out to the top side. So I'm thinking, ayo, are we gonna go to the downside? Is that gonna be this? This box is also big as fuck. The fuck is this shit? I ain't never really seen that tool before, but shit, this is literally a fucking. So fucking for real, you get here. Whatever. Just figure out how you get here. Though we haven't really tapped into. Right, like, so maybe this the move. I don't really know what to play this year, gang. Might not be a play, right? Like my head is, I thought maybe we break out to the fucking strong side here, and we go higher, or maybe we just trade in this range. Sort of 40-point box. Let's watch Drewski still.
Trying to see if he can bring me back to the waters and fat reset me. You know what I'm saying? We gonna get up in there. They all trying to scare me away from the they trying to keep it for themselves. Don't let me find out. Don't let me around and find out.
Your ass came in here like you were ready to hoop, my girl.
Oh God, follow these.
We'll do a risk here. Do some risky. Yep. So I think we're gonna do risky strat here. So if I do a long, so it's there, right? Bit here. Two. $26 points. It's 5 contracts. See what happens here, gang. It's not the best trade I ever did. I probably could get a better fill right here. $52-point move, bro. Shit would take all night. 52 points. Which, by the way, guys, so if I'm so stupid at 26 points. Fuck, I'm so stupid. Supposed to be 300. This at 26 points. This 26-point stop loss. I make $520, right? Off of this. And I just think the rejection at this point is more significant than here. Like, I think we're above VWAP. Prices want to go higher. Very worst price comes and test this. And we go higher. I don't really know how the fuck this shit going in. Y'all might call me crazy for this trade. I'm actually feeling the mood. I think I might just go one. And then buy one. 6. This go to 6. Confirm. This go to 6. Confirm. And there we go. We off to the races. I don't think this is a crazy trade. I think this is a good trade. Put it right here. Fuck. Why did 6 confirm, bro? 6 confirm. See how this goes for me, man.
Stud like to play stud games. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, like
I like
what?
to be straight to it. Like if we're gonna get to it, let's get to it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't with all the stud games. You know what I mean?
That's how hard. Damn, you gonna do it that hard? Like, damn, nigga, I'm a virgin. Calm the fuck down. Relax. You gotta caress that shit first. Can't just goddamn what the f? You gonna kill a bitch. Take your time with me though.
Yeah.
I still got my V card.
Oh, okay.
Just take your time.
I'm easy.
Every girl ain't finna be like, ooh, let me jump on it.
You ain't scared of it. Your ass ain't scared of it.
Just be careful with it.
Él es lindo, simpático. Es una persona que me hace hacer pasar buenos, felices momentos. Si realmente nos pertenecemos el uno para el otro, pues sería perfecto.
Yeah. Cheers. Where you from?
I'm from Costa Rica.
Oh, Costa Rica. Hell yeah. I need to head on out there. I heard y'all got a lot of prostitutes out there. Prostitution.
Prostitution?
Yeah, they be having prostitutes in Costa Rica.
Really?
Yeah, all type of shit. That's what I'm saying. You might not be knowing about that.
I know about that,
but the world of prostitution is,
Costa
always
Rica,
happy out
you
there.
sure?
Yeah, Costa Rica.
There is more about nature, peace.
I don't know what you said, but hey,
beach,
I'm telling you.
waterfalls. You are going to the wrong, like the side you wanna be.
Well, I know something, and I'll tell you one thing. There's a lot of prostitutes there. What brings you to Could Have Been Love, honestly?
Could I be love?
Yeah.
I just give me myself opportunity, the opportunity to meet someone new.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
For sure.
My.
Well, fuck it. We'll take you in there. You fine enough. I don't give a fuck what you saying. It don't matter. I don't think she know that she here for a competition with just me. Yeah, it's just me in the competition.
Okay.
Hell yeah. Let the other ones that don't is bilingual, let them in here.
Unlock the world's largest, most liquid financial.
I feel like I gotta pay for YouTube Premium at this fucking point in time.
I'm tired of bitches, so.
Maybe we get out of this shit.
Damn, I feel like the Prince in this motherfucker.
See, the thing about him, you can't hide those hips. I seen them hips walking up off that boat all bat. Oh, you ain't got no shoes on?
Hell nah, but look.
Oh, all right. Yeah.
Scottish shit.
Yeah.
Damn, that's
You
loud.
ever sold weed before? You look like a nigga that I used to grow up with that he was a plug.
I done had money, I done went broke, I done got money again. Excuse you, Poppy.
My bad, bro.
You good? Tom?
You know us niggas, we be niggas just let out. Niggas let out anytime.
Better out than in, I always say. Better out than in, I always say.
When you be farting, you be having silent parts, or that be like?
It just depends on the time of the day, time of the month.
When you're on your period is wet, huh?
Hey, it depends.
All right, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, my whole heart dropped in my coochie. I was like, God damn.
If someone can't handle both of us, then they don't deserve one of us at all. Two is better than one, so we know Drewski is just gonna love a little twin package.
This is the first time I ever had a set of twins.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, well you're in for a little double
so what?
trouble
A
treat.
little double trouble. Let's all take a little. You know what I mean? Yeah, cheers.
A lot of people, when they meet us in person, they don't realize how little we are. They don't realize how tiny we are.
Yeah. Get in between y'all. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah. To the twins, Rodriguez twins.
You got it.
Okay, so y'all speak Spanish?
Un poquito español.
Un poquito español.
Yeah.
Y'all talk at the same time too.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, I like that. I like that.
We're always together. Yeah.
Yeah, okay,
We stay together, so.
For everything.
There's just so much rejection happening at this fucking one level that I want to take the long here. Maybe I try to get filled off a better entry. Maybe this is the. Maybe this is gonna dump. I feel a lot better being here though. Fair value gap going down. It's just forming. Maybe short this shit. Maybe I'm wrong here. Maybe the plays are short. So maybe. Oh shit. I have to take this. I have to delete it. I have to go here. And let's go here. And we want a 2 ratio. Maybe this is the method here. Like, I just don't see what's happening here. So I'm thinking short's the move. I think we want to short it here. Right? Like this. I don't think that's crazy. I think we're going to do it. Right there. I think we're going to. Let's see how this goes for me. This is not an A+ trade for me. I went in kind of a little bit heavy on the contract side. I just do really think that this shit. At first, my bias was higher, right? And obviously, we are below. Which, damn, I don't even really got to go that far down. Put it bit. Put it bit at a 2 ratio. What I was looking for to begin with. That's just here. 2 ratio at a 12.25 stop, which I could have went probably higher for this. I make $800 and $588 off of 12 contracts. I'm not even 12 contracts deep, dude. I could go higher. Not a lot to lose here. I anticipated being here, right? So I'm still gonna put this shit here. And then that's 20-point stop. We still want a 2, which is like the middle of that fair value gap. Which I think in order for price to continue higher, we have to hit this fucking zone. So I'm actually, and this is not my poor strategy here. We're going to we're gonna limit sell. Right there. We're gonna do it for How much is a 20-point stop? 20-point is going to be like 7. So we'll go 1. Oh, fuck. It's not really what I was trying to do there, gang. It's fine. We got better positioning. 9. Confirm. Fuck. Having this shit happen. Fucking. We're fine on this trade, actually. A little higher. Risk a little bit more. 1 minute here, right? Like a sideways. See what happens. Could be all night, man.
You needed us.
Okay.
Yeah. We know we can have some fun with Drewski.
Not yet, right?
Yeah. Thank you, Drewski.
I ain't get no ass on this season. Ain't nobody got no ass. I like a little 2-piece leg, a little fried 2-piece chicken spicy. And they said they Mexican too. That means they picante.
Your girl doing good. She's just trying to threaten me, but they can't do nothing with me. They're acting no fool.
Hey, keep that 9.5 on bitches next.
Yeah, out of here. All y'all bitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y'all bitches is done.
Don't get this shit twisted. Just because I'm here for Drewski don't mean shit. I mean, you can talk all you want to. As long as you don't touch me, I'm not gonna take it there on you. But you touch me, I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you.
You keep saying the same shit.
Stay in your lane,
You ain't
man.
talking about nothing.
Stay in your lane, man.
Stay in your lane, man. Man, get your hand out me.
You not on Drewski. Yo, get off me. Yo,
You're hopping in, man. We're in a fucking trade right now. Don't know if it's good or bad yet. It's gonna be a time-consuming trade. I could have been wrong on this, right? My draw could have been completely wrong. Not my strategy. Typically, I'll be looking for a break here to go higher and a retest back. I just sincerely believe that this is a hard fucking cap. Something about this high we can't break. We've tested it multiple fucking times. And I feel comfortable saying that we're gonna go lower. I could be wrong, right? Like, I think a part of trading is being wrong. Against my system, like I said, we're also here for entry. Fuck. Right, so, and I'm charting in the middle of this fair value gap. But, I think we're coming down. And I think specifically 9 o'clock, we'll see some shit. Looking at higher time frames, though. I don't know, man. The 30-minute, we're kind of down. Kind of looks like a little retrace, which we could come out to here. Tap into this to go lower, which would be reasonable. Hour, same thing. We could tap into that, and maybe I'm on the wrong side of this. Here, in this hour, I mean, this kind of looks like we tapped in once. We tapped in twice, came down. Maybe because there's a retrace, dump down to 4 hour, but this shit won't end until 10. This shit, I mean, just making the 4 value gap for the day. I don't really care about the day, but makes it come down, tap in, tap. We should be heading lower, right? We still got a few more hours on this shit, but feel like this is a good position to say we're gonna dump. Decent risk on this trade. This is kind of one of those ones I'm gonna let sit. See what the fuck happens. This one's a wick here, so I don't really know what's down there that we're rejecting off of. Shit. I actually need to fucking just lock that bit. I don't really know what's down here. Maybe this fair value gap we went and we tapped into it to go higher, which we didn't go higher. Right, so 1 minute's choppy. Look at Hakanashi candles. Down. I don't know, man. We'll see. We will see what the fuck happens with this. We're also rejecting off Asia, this Asia high here, this level, which has been tested. We don't really get, we have a close below it on the 5 minute, 15 minute close below it. No. So huge. If we can close below this level, that'd be huge. We're rejecting it like a fucking bat out of hell. So about to get a 30-minute closure though, which a 30-minute is a little bipolar. Hey man, doggy, shut up, man. I don't even know how much I like profit off of this fucking trade. It's like a 1 to 3 off of 9 contracts, 48 fucking points. So if this shit hits, let's see what I got. Times 18. A little 864 trade in this session will be fucking gas, but also could be a loss. So we're above VWAP, which is kind of against my trades.
It's a Jewish term. Spears doing a full length TV commercial. Comes from golf. Why everybody hates the success story so bad. These two guys were in the police force and now they're in the business.
They went from living paycheck to paycheck to not having to check a checking account every day.
The reason this business resonates so well with just So how long have you lived in Tampa for?
Oh, this is Chihuahua.
Lego never lets this mistake happen, but somehow it did in their newest set. Lego kindly sent me over their new Ford Model T set that's coming out on March 1st for $130. Wasn't too excited to build it since I'm not a huge fan of cars, but when I heard there's an actual illegal building technique in it, I couldn't build it fast enough with the challenge to find it. These are configurations and brakes that don't work since they put stress on pieces and can damage them over time, so it's very rare to see them in quality-controlled Lego sets. After putting it together, I was sad that I didn't notice it myself. In fact, I actually enjoyed the build and thought the model had some great play features. But I can hear the former Lego designer turned content creator Tiago Catarino in my head telling me to look deeper, since he's the one who first noticed this unfortunate technique. So that's exactly what I did. And with the help of Tiago, I was able to pinpoint a technique that just had to be illegal since the bricks literally didn't want to stay together. The designer placed these headlight bricks back to back, and because the stud on their side seems to stick out slightly, the bricks don't sit flush against each other, causing stress on any plate stacked on top. Lego never lets them... Can I see if you'll sit and give...
All right, boys. If you're tuning the stream, thank y'all, motherfuckers. I'm gonna like leave for 10 seconds. I will be right back. We'll be right back. Right back. This shit is so fucking sideways. I don't even know what the fuck to do.
I will say I did first notice the pattern.
Favorite moment during that time in Chicago during the 90s? I'm really trying not to be an asshole here. I promise you I'm not. But me and my band have spent 3 months getting ready for this show, and there's a lot of people that paid $20 to get in this. And you may not care, you may not give a shit, but there are people that do. So I'm trying not to be an asshole. I really am. But if y'all could just shut the fuck up for a little bit. We're good. All right, let's try this. Hang on.
Getting an opportunity to have an All-Star game in Los Angeles. What does that mean for you at this point in your career? Getting an opportunity to play in an All-Star game where you're also playing day in and day out.
Nothing, because this is not our building. Nothing at all. This is a road game.
Getting an opportunity to have an All-Star game in Los Angeles. What does that mean for you at this point in your career? Getting an opportunity to play in an All-Star game where you're also playing day in and day out.
Nothing, because this is not our building. Wait, how much cheaper are rebuilds right now? New Wagon's charging $1,400.
Bro, I'm looking for someone that trades trend lines. Oh, do you know anyone that trades trend lines?
One, we got the ball. We want to get the last shot or a trick shot. They put the ball in my hands, and I was able to.
There's enough memory left in the game for the left half of the board and not the right half. The right half is filled with computer garble, anything and everything that is not packed in, different walls, different dots. That's what the perfect score is. The designer of Pac-Man, not only did he never think anyone would get to the end, he didn't know where the end was. He didn't know at what point the game would run out of memory. Everything to him is completely baffling. They never saw the split screen until I sent it to them. Masaya Nakamoto, who's the godfather of video games. He crowned me Video Game Player of the Century for that and all the previous achievements. It doesn't get any higher. On 256, there's enough memory left in the game for the left half of the board and not the right half. The right half is filled with computer garble, anything and everything that is not packed in, different walls, different dots. That's what a perfect score is. The designer of Pac-Man, not only did he never... Nintendo just sent me the Virtual Boy a few days early. Let's open it up and see if what... Nintendo just sent me the Virtual Boy a few days early. Let's open it up and see if what's in the box is worth the $100 price tag. Here it is in all of its glory. What's interesting is it's about as useful now as it will be in about 10 years when they shut down the NSO service. Without access to the games, it really is just kind of a showpiece. Here's the Virtual Boy itself. I thought that this membrane for sure would be rubber, but it's actually this very pleasant feeling fabric. And there's that red filter that the Virtual Boy is known for. But really quickly, let's explore the other goodies in the box. There's a manual. This is the stand for the Virtual Boy, which kind of clicks into different positions. Then finally, here's an adapter to make it work for your Switch 1. Of course, no screwdriver included to do that. And that's really everything that's in the box. Let's jump back to the Virtual Boy itself. So you're going to notice things like a volume slider, a headphone jack, controller ports. All these are just a part of the mold, of course. There's actually really no functionality with any of the buttons on this. The Lego NES seems to have more play features, which is kind of interesting. All right, let's throw in the Switch 2 and see how it fits. Oh yeah, that is nice and
Quiet.
and actually adds a really good amount of weight to the Virtual Boy shell. It feels good. If we take off the red filter, you'll see that it's just kind of the standard Nintendo VR eyepiece. I'm pretty sure this is the exact same one that comes with the Labo VR. And to put on the stand, which seems kind of required, to use this, you just push down this button and pop it in. Alright, even though I don't have a game, I think I can get something to work on it, so let's jump over to my desk and see if we can get it going. We're back at my desk
Yes, with the Virtual Boy, we're putting on the Captain Toad VR right now to see if it works with the Virtual Boy. And check this out. It seems a little low, but we're in 2026. I've got an adjustable height desk for my Virtual Boy. If you've got any kind of scratches on your Switch 2 screen or any kind of, let's say, cat hair stuck under the screen protector, it's very apparent right now. But yeah, this is it. This is the VR mode. I see Toad down there. I think the issue is the Labo VR is kind of meant for you to move around. And with the Virtual Boy, it's so heavy and janky that we just kind of have to stay still. All right, so does it seem like it needs some movement?
Looks like we're finally getting a fucking break.
Station, and I normally, if I were to get hit on, it is at this gas station. It happens all the time.
What the fuck are we doing?
And it's either you alone or you with one other person in there. If that person's a man, I will be hit on. But this time it was actually like very flattering. Like I was talking to the cashier,
Line is so
and this guy pulled up to check out next to me.
fucking
Same height as me. Immediately, he's gonna say something. Because sometimes if people are shorter, they won't say anything. But if they're the same height as me, they say something. And he's like, "Damn!" And I said, "Hey." And he said, "What you play in your day? Basketball?" And I said, "Volleyball." And he said, "And you still got it, mama?" And I said, "Thanks." He called me mama. That's apparently the key to hitting on me. Call me mama. Call me mama. I loved it. New nails alert. New nails.
I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million deals. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing.
Yeah, bro. I don't really know what we're in right now, man. This is a fucking, maybe not my best work of a fucking trade, but god damn, this shit is. Is this the retest we need of this fucking line to break it to the higher side? Maybe like, should I get the fuck out of this trade?
Happy Valentine's Day, queens. Make sure to stay queening today. Don't let a man take your sparkle. Happy Valentine's Day, queens. Make sure to stay queening today. Don't let a man take your sparkle.
Going higher.
Right here.
Yeah, maybe this is the break to that top side that we've been looking for all fucking day earlier, and I don't mind that. That's the case, right? Like, a couple $100. You got a really good fucking entry. 14.5 points. Yeah, we won't even lose $300, and I'll make another trade after this if that's the case.
That's weeping and
Got hit on at the gas station.
How did you guys meet? That card is not a 10.
Alright, guys, I'm be honest, bro. If you're tuning in this shit, bro, I don't really fucking know about this trade. I'm thinking about getting out. Let's talk about it. I feel like sometimes you talk out loud, it's better for me mentally, right? Like, so my thought process was we kept reject out this shit a million fucking times this level here, right? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We can't get higher. So like fuck it. We don't have enough momentum to get higher here. And so we gotta fucking come down. Coming down to here, my thought process is in order for us to get higher, we bounce into this fair value gap and go higher. We might not see this fucking trade come to until midnight, right? Um I'm not risking that much on my risk calculator, for instance. It's a 14.5 stop loss. I could go 10 contracts. I'm at 9, so my risk is going to be under 290. To make like what ratio is this? Like a fucking 1 to I forgot make this shit so big. My blind 1 to 3. So I'll make not going 10 contracts deep. I'll make somewhere around $800 off this trade if it hits, right? Like while risking under 290. So I'm gonna just kind of let this ride. I felt comfortable with the confluence. And once again, this is one of those situations where this is not the strat we run every fucking day. But I see that we have rejected off this fucking level a million fucking times. It's as if price does not want to go higher. So I'm gonna play it out. I could be wrong. We got 15 minutes to see. I think 9 o'clock we're gonna get more volume in the market. And hopefully it's a fucking dump. But we will see what happens. There's a also not high probability, but looking at higher time frames, I'm seeing here. I have ICT on. There's no 15-minute fair value gap. It's a 30-minute fair value gap all the way up here. We created it. Doesn't really fucking matter. Hour fair value gap doesn't matter. It's too far. Something below. Nah, it's not really below. 15-minute. All right, so I think I feel comfortable with that being the play for me tonight. Not an A+ trade for me. It's less than my normal risk at 300. Like I'm probably at 260 risk, and it's just the trade we're gonna take today. So I probably sit around the 9 o'clock, see what happens. Maybe 9 o'clock, 9:15, hop off, and I'll keep the fucking stream running, and we'll go see what happens elsewise. But not stream, but I'll leave the stream running. I'll be gone, and we'll see what happens elsewise after 9 o'clock. Yeah, now I'm starting to get. I mean, maybe I'm fucking wrong.
Show you real quick. Just real quick. This is ES futures. This is the Asian low that I had marked out when the market opened. This is the New York low that I had marked.
I don't know where the trade's gonna go. This one's painful, another reason of why, like, I probably like this trade would have been a different story for me earlier is I typically don't take shit when we're this far above view up. I just we've rejected this level so many fucking times. So if I get stop loss out here, what I would do is I will wait for a break and retest. But once, okay, we got stop loss out. I'm fine with that. Cool. So what that tells me, this is what we have been looking for. This is an actual good entry. Fuck that shit. We'll do the same thing. We're gonna get a close here, right? So if we get a close above this level, we don't close above it, do we? Wow. But I will do this. If we are able to come back down to this level, I'll do that. I'll take the long for this. I think we get here, right? So hard decision to make. I think we'll go here. So real straight we want here. We target a 2-1 off of a 20-point stop, which at 20 points, we were 7 contracts for 1 to 2. I think I can get filled on this. Go here. That shit. 7. Watch. This is a different story now. So I bought in here. Bro, you win some, you fucking lose some, you come back and make a good fucking trade, bro. If there's 5-minute closes, which is huge, that'll be the end of that fair value gap there. Which I don't think. I hope we don't go underneath it. Which actually, to be honest. There you go. So it's a free fucking trade, boys. Hope we go higher. I mean, there's a fair value gap here. I mean, we could retrace to the middle of it. 1 minute one. We don't want to retrace the middle of that shit. We're gonna come down here, which is really fucking close, actually. Right. It's kind of what we want here. Retest of it, but there's this one here, technically. I don't know what the fuck this one isn't showing, dude. What's up with fair value gaps? Not fucking showing on my shit. Like, that's a fair value gap right there. Right? Like, it's a EG. kind of what we want here. Yeah, buddy. This is literally the what we want happening out of this one. This one, we're rejecting the top of it to go higher. Don't want to break this one and keep rejecting off of it, right? Like, we're in the box for this one, which is a. So, if you're interested in this fucking trade, I don't know who all was watching or whatever. I'd fucking insert off this retracement here. I think the best entry just happened midway through this fair value gap to go higher. I don't know where the draw is, honestly. Like, looking at this shit, do we go take New York highs made here? We took it like 3 times. This zone's a little bit above this high right here. To sweep the liquidity here. Also lock this shit. This could be a long trade. I feel comfortable on what I'm actually gonna do here is I'm going to put my stop loss here. I think the draw is higher, boys. I think the draw is higher. And we're kind of just gonna sit and fucking wait, right? Something rejected off of here. Which I don't see anything. Anyways, that's the beauty of this shit, though, bro. Like, you come in, fucking lose money, make money. But literally, I've traded a trade that was not within my structure, was not in my fucking program. And then I came back and I traded what I looked for, a break and retest. Break, retest, right? Happened right there. And we just sit back and wait, bro. Wait for TP. Sit back and wait for TP. We going higher and higher. Yeah, this looks so fucking beautiful, bro.
So they made this about 75 years ago, and then 17 witches put a curse on it. They said the time that you roll all of these dice and they all land on one snake eyes is what they said. They said there'll be 4 months left until the end of the world. And so they've been rolling it once a day. And every day, of course, like there's a bunch of different dice rolls. Well, yesterday,
I don't even know which sex is for. It's for. It's got door.
Make a face hamstring with me. How I flex a face to the cat. Cute and elastic. Oops, I missed this spot. Now drop the man too. Make a face for the
All right, boys. So shit get scary. I mean, is this is kind of the gap we want to retest again? Which, whoa, 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 whoa. Is this what we wanted to reject? This is really what we want to reject. Oh shit. just trust to get filled here, bro. Turn this shit off real quick.